Hey friends, welcome to the chapter 5. Okay, we have reached this much model. So I'm going to model this part in this tutorial. But first, let's do some tweakings over here. Okay, because I saw this shape is a little curved. Okay, you can see over here. So let's do that. Okay, select the vertex and from our side viewport, you can see this shape. Okay, so select the vertex and adjust it a little bit like this. Adjust this shape, this one, also this one. Rotate it a little bit, adjust it. Adjust from front viewport. We need to match the shape and also we need to use our visualization. Okay, so tweak it. Have a look on turbo smooth. It's looking like this. Okay, so select the shape again and try to adjust it a little bit. This portion, this thing. Okay, adjust this part. Select these, adjust them. This part also. Just try to adjust the shape and see how it looks basically. Okay, this portion, also this one and this two. Adjust it from front viewport. Deselect these areas, adjust it. Okay, you can see it. Now we can fix this thing. So select the object and adjust it. Click and drag to select all these vertices. Pull it down a bit. Select and pull it down like this. Adjust it. Now we can see. Select this part. Adjust them. Okay. Tweak it a little more. This portion. Adjust it. Tweak this thing. So this is what we have now. Now tweak it from perspective viewport because we have lots of room over here. So just adjust it. See how it looks. Okay, adjust it. Okay, now in reference you can see it's looking similar. This portion. Okay. Yeah, here we have. Select this object and tweak this thing also. Move it inside like this. Okay, like this and adjust it. Select this vertex and pull it down. Adjust this thing like this. Okay. Like this with this part. adjust this portion. Select this vertex and pull it upwards a little. Adjust it. Okay, so this is what we have now. Now we have this thing and it's looking good, I think. So let's move forward. Okay, so now I'm gonna do this part. Okay, also this one. So let's do that. Okay, it's a one single part, I think. Let's see in the reference. Yeah, it's one single part. This one and this one. Okay, so you can see over here also. It's a single part. This one, this portion, and this portion. Okay, so we can do that. Okay, just have a look at the riff, and we have some more reference images I have downloaded from internet. We need lots of reference images to do the modeling part. Okay, this portion we are going to create. So this will be one single part. You need to create a plane for this thing. We will start with this portion and we will do that. Then we will move to the downwards. Okay, the second part. Okay, so we have that. I'm going to take a plane, place it over here. Okay, adjust this thing in the side viewport or perspective viewport. Adjust it, rotate this thing a little. Okay, convert it to poly. Okay, select the vertex and adjust it, something like this. Okay, tweak it to match the shape which we are able to see in our reference image. Just select the vertex and move this thing a little bit like this. Adjust it. Try to follow the outer shape which we already have modeled in last lessons. So I'm just tweaking and adjusting the shape. Okay, like this. We can see the riff if you want. Yeah, this one. It's like this. Okay, so let's do that. Adjust the vertex. Follow the shape. Okay, over here. Okay, so place it like this. Adjust it from perspective viewport. It will be easy for us to see the depth and positioning. Select the vertex, adjust it, and select this one too. Select the edge and do the extrusion. Okay, after adjusting this, just extrude it, place it properly. Okay, select the vertex, adjust this part too, and align it with the reference image. Just this thing, select the edge, extrude. Okay, place it over here. We need to adjust these vertices. So just pick and place it on a proper place. You can see the riff. Okay, we are going to do this. So just extrude one more time. Place it over here. Okay, here, and again extrude and place it. Try to match the riff. Okay, so this is what we have now. Okay, tweak it a little bit. Adjust this thing. We need to adjust this thing over here, select, adjust, and this thing also. Okay, looks good. Tweak it, select the edge, double click on it, and extrude again. One more time, this portion. Okay, select the vertex. Now we need to adjust these parts. Okay, undo. Now place it, adjust it, adjust it like this. Okay, we need to move this thing, adjust this portion a little like this. Okay, have a look to the reference. It's like this. Okay, and we have a sharp edge. Anyways, we'll do that. So let's move to the side viewport, select the edge and extrude. Okay, now we need to fix it in front viewport, place it properly, go to our wireframe mode and adjust it. F3 is the shortcut for the wireframe mode. Okay, so adjust it. Align it with the shape. Okay, something like this. Okay, adjust this thing. We can see in our perspective viewport it's looking weird, so I'm going to align it with the outer shape. Okay, move this thing a little bit more. Okay, adjust it, adjust this thing. Okay, just tweak and adjust with the shape. Okay, have a look. Okay, we need to do this part. Okay, you can see over here that it's an edge, a sharp edge. So select these vertices first and adjust them to make a flow, proper flow. Okay, select this portion, adjust it, also this one and these two also. Okay, tweak this thing a little bit and this one too. Okay, I think we can continue in next chapter. So that's it for this one. See you in next chapter. Thanks a lot.